Get into the 2021 Nissan Versa. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, automatic headlights. Get style, efficiency, and the latest safety features in this comfortable and convenient Versa. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.